Very simple and delicious. Rooh Afza Milk Jelly Recipe. You can make this recipe in 2 different ways. Let's make it. Bismillah. 5 grams or quarter cup of China grass, or 1 tablespoon of China grass powder, which is also called as Agar powder. 1 cup of water. Cook on medium to low heat until China grass completely dissolves and disappears. Add 3 cups of milk, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of rose water or vanilla extract. Cook till start boiling. Turn off the heat. Take out some in the molds if you are making 2-colored jelly. Note, in this recipe you can alternate agar China grass with gelatin as well. Alternative options are written in the description. Let it cool down in refrigerator for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of Rooh Afza drink mix. Add more or less according to your preference. Add chopped almonds or pistachios, optional. Add hot jelly mixture, and let it cool down completely in refrigerator before serving. Add rest of the pink jelly mix over milk jelly. Let it cool down completely in the refrigerator before demolding. Serve cold. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, comment below, and share ahead. Thanks for watching.